Woke up. Didn't know they gave me that toll booth Willie suite. The hell are those things?
Welcome to Westin. $1.25, please.
Hey, how you doing, Toll Booth Willie?
Good. Thanks for
Do you know what this means? We go into the jail.
Champion.
What's the name that they gave me? Put your hood up! Put your hood up! Put your hood up!
Riskiest move of the year. She's thirsty, but look where we're going next. The Wizard of Odds.
There's nothing that can beat the connection I got. Aaron, oh Aaron, what are you going to do? You make it and promises.
Lion. What am I gonna do with one shoe? Except for call somebody. What? Hurrah.
Anybody who's talking this shit, that shit, Chris Kirkpatrick, you can get your ass kicked. Worse than them little limp biscuit bastards and hope.
100% buying something before I leave. I just gotta figure out what it is. There's an app for that now. Could not have said it better myself. Stuff. I've been here for an hour. Hey, Rhyme, what'd you get? Merca! And a pirate bottle stopper, because who doesn't like this little guy's face? Told you I was a champion. Don't tell anybody, but I used autocorrect. Yeah, okay. The Hyatt is attached to the convention center. That's where we're going. I'm just waiting for them to do the major key race alert. Hey Ryan, what do you like to do in your free time? Record lightning strikes and listen to Enya.